It's actually so easy to get rich, right? And in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you guys can actually get rich, make 10K a month, 20K a month, upwards to even 100K a month, right? With one of the best business models that's completely changed my life and a lot of my clients' lives too. Now, just before I get into the video, before I talk about this business model, how you can actually use it to get rich, it's best I talk about who I am, right? Because if I don't know what I'm talking about, then you guys shouldn't watch the video. So my name is Alim and I left the UK over 12 months ago, right? And literally around, 2 years ago, I was working a 9-to-5 job. I was struggling. I wasn't making enough money. I was probably making about 2-3 grand a month. And I was thinking to myself, is this what life has to offer? Is this what my life is going to be going forwards? And it wasn't necessarily the money that I had a problem with. The main issue was that I didn't have freedom, right? Which I'm sure a lot of people kind of relate to. Because a lot of people I know are on high paying jobs, but ultimately they don't have freedom, right? And even though I wasn't earning that much money, of course, I wanted more money as well. But ultimately, my goal was freedom. So I said, you know what? I'm going to take the biggest risk of my life. I'm going to quit my 9-to-5 job, pack my bags, and move to Dubai, right? Now, the reason I chose Dubai was because Dubai was always my dream. It was always my dream city to move to. So I said, you know what? I'm going to take a big risk, move to Dubai. And then, after I moved, I tried to apply for jobs. I didn't get any jobs. So then I started my own online business, which is now generating me 6 figures a year, right? And this is where I am in Dubai. As you can see on the background behind me, the views are quite incredible. So life's completely changed. I have ultimate freedom. I make 6 figures a year and life is absolutely amazing, right? And again, as I said, life wasn't always like this, but it's actually really easy. Now that I'm in this position where I'm making 6 figures a year, I've actually come to this conclusion, right? That it's actually very easy to make money online. And a lot of people think that it's very difficult or, you have to be special to do it or you need to know something that other people don't know. Honestly, guys, it is extremely easy to make money online and actually become rich, okay? And if you don't believe me, well, look at all the people that are younger than you, maybe in their 20s, 21, 22, who are here in Dubai or even other places like Miami or Bali, places like that, and look at how much money they're making. These are 20-year-olds making more than 6 figures a year, sometimes even 6 figures a month, right? You see all these people making some crazy amounts of money and they're much younger than you. They have no life experience, they're only 20, 21. In fact, I even know like a 19-year-old or 18-year-old that is making about 60, 70 grand a month, right? And it shows to me that it's not your age. It's nothing to do with experience to a certain extent. It's all to do with taking action. A lot of you guys, right, want to make lots of money. You want to change your life. You want to be financially free. But what action are you doing to make that happen? Because to be honest, a lot of you guys go to your 9-to-5 job, you hate it, you go to work, you hate your job, then what you do is you come back home, you do nothing about changing your situation, you wait for the weekend, right? The weekend comes, you relax, you chill, okay, I don't need to worry about my job, I get time to relax, and then Monday comes and you're back to work again, right? Trust me, I lived my life like this for a very long time, and I wish I had started my business sooner because I know for a fact I'd be so much further ahead. Now, what is it that I do? What is it that makes me a lot of money online? Well, what I essentially do is help people start their own online businesses where they sell their own skills and knowledge to high ticket clients. Now, just quickly before I continue the video, if that does sound like you and you want to actually make money online, scale to 10K a month so you can start an online business that can actually replace your job, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is just jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can help you. But ultimately, guys, all I'm doing is helping people understand and identify skills that they probably didn't even know that they had and help them sell that to high ticket clients, right? And I've had a bunch of clients who have done extremely, extremely well by doing this. And a lot of my clients didn't even know that they had that skill in the first place. And this is why I do what I do, because I'm helping people change their lives. And on top of that, I make money as well. So of course, it's a win-win situation. But ultimately, guys, you need to understand, right? If you're not going to take action, then you're not going to become rich. Think of it like this, right? If you keep taking action towards your goals, you literally cannot fail. Genuinely, and I mean this with the bottom of my heart, with everything that I've gone through in my life, if you just keep taking action towards your goal and you keep trying and keep trying and keep trying and have that relentlessness about you, that you're not going to give up when times get tough, you're not going to give up when it gets difficult, you're going to keep going, you're going to keep going, trust me, eventually you will get there. Like, honestly, I have seen this so many times, not just from myself, but from other people as well, who have just keep going, and eventually they do it, right? But the problem is, a lot of people that work their 9-to-5 job are entitled. They feel that they're entitled to making so much money. They feel like they deserve it. But my question to you is, how do you deserve it when you've not taken any action towards it? And when you guys ask about what action you should take, especially if you don't know what action to take, hire someone, hire a mentor, hire someone that can teach you what it is that you need to do to make money online. Follow exactly what they say. Follow someone that's doing what it is that you want to be doing, and you'll make money. Literally, it's literally as simple as that. And if I had to start again, honestly, if I had to start again and I had no money, what I'd do is get a job, make some money, use that money to hire a mentor, learn from that mentor, make money online, and then quit my job, right? This is exactly what I do. But a lot of people say that they don't have money, or they say that they don't have time, or they say that they can't do it. It's just excuses. Everyone has the ability to make money through their job. Everyone has the ability to reinvest that money. The problem is a lot of people are distracted. I actually put up a post on my Instagram recently where I was talking about how the competition is zero. And the reason why there is absolutely no competition is because everyone is distracted. Everyone's distracted playing video games. Everyone is distracted watching TV or watching Netflix or wasting time. There are not that many people that are just focused on taking the correct action required to make money. And because of that, there is absolutely no competition. And it's so true. Look at a lot of people around you, right? Look at their habits, and then you wonder why they are where they are, because their habits of what allow them to be where they are. If you want a different life, genuinely, it's as simple as this. If you want a different life, do something different. Don't keep doing the same thing and expect your life to be different. It's not going to happen. And to reiterate this point, if you want an exceptional life, well, you need to do exceptional things. A lot of people think that they can just get an exceptional life by doing nothing, or by not trying, or by half trying. Never ever works. If you actually want to be successful, try your hardest, go full on. The problem is a lot of people half try and then say, oh, I'm trying, but nothing's working. Bruv, if you're not trying fully, then don't try at all, because ultimately you're wasting your time. If you go and try your absolute hardest, you will make money. It's actually as simple as that. It's literally as simple as that. If you keep trying and you try your absolute best, you will become successful. And you have to be relentless. You have to have a positive attitude. You have to keep doing it. You have to go through the hard times, because trust me, I've gone through several hard times, right? Not a lot of people know this, but I've gone through several hard times when I started my business. It was difficult. But at the end of it, right, there is sunshine, there is success, there's everything that you want. And all because I took action. Now, guys, I am not special by any means, right? I was from a small town in West London. Lived there my whole life. I was there for 27 years. And after being there for 27 years, I then decided that I'm going to take the biggest risk of my life, quit my 9-to-5 job, and move to Dubai. So what my point is, okay, some people can look at it and say I'm still young, but ultimately for me, I know I wasted a lot of time. And I'm so glad that I did it at some point, but at the same time, I regret not doing it sooner, right? Now, a lot of you guys might be 20, 25, 30, even 40, even maybe upwards of that, watching this video, right? One, it's never too late. Two, you need to act urgently, because life, trust me, life goes really, really quick, right? Life goes really, really quick. And I know for a fact, if I didn't take that risk and just move to Dubai, I'd still be in my 9-to-5 job back in the UK, making 2-3 grand a month, struggling, stressing, thinking, what could have been? You know, I'm still in my 9-to-5 job and still being negative, basically, right? And this is one thing that I've noticed. When I started my online business and I started working towards something, that's when my life started to change. When I started actually trying and working towards something, that's literally when my life started to change. And it's literally no secret. To get rich, all you need to do is take action. And if you guys don't know what action to take, this is where you hire a mentor, because a mentor is going to show you exactly what you need to do to make money. Now, again, guys, I run my own online coaching business. I actually help people start an online business so they can scale to 10K a month. If that is something you're looking for, if you don't know what to do, if you want to start making money online, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can help you, right? And if you do know what action that you need to do, then do it. Because a lot of people do know as well. A lot of people have an idea of what they should do, but they don't take the action, right? They waste time, they play video games, they watch TV, you know, they just waste time doing dumb shit, going out, when really they're not in a position where they want to be, or they've not achieved their goals, basically, right? And I'm still working extremely hard now. Like, I'm making good money online, but I'm still working as hard. I'm still working like I've not got money. I'm still working like I'm broke. And this is the thing, you have to have that mindset. You have to be willing to keep going, keep working, because that's how you can make some serious money. Now, guys, to make 10K a month online, I'm genuinely being serious, is extremely, extremely easy. A lot of you guys can actually do it. It's not hard. Genuinely, it's not hard. Anyone can do it, right? And all it takes is for you to try and do the thing that is actually going to get you there. Now, what is this business model that I do, right? Because obviously this has made me a lot of money. I've tried different business models, by the way. I've tried dropshipping, affiliate marketing, YouTube content creation, living off sponsorships, TikTok shop. I've done every business model you can imagine online, right? And honestly, the business model I'm doing at the moment is the best business model because one, you're helping people, two, you make the most amount of money, and three, it's actually very beginner friendly. So I'm going to break down this business model very, very clearly for you. All you have to do is find what you're good at, package it into a program or an offer, and sell it to high ticket clients. Now, you can do this in two ways. You can either use organic or you can use paid traffic. Now, guys, I don't actually use ads, right? I don't actually pay for ads at the moment. So all my money that I made is through organic. And if you guys look at my videos, I don't actually get a lot of views. I literally get like 100, 200, 300, if I'm lucky, even 500 views, right? But even with the amount of views that I'm getting, I'm still making 6 figures a year, all organic. I don't use any paid ads at the moment of recording this video. So this just shows how flippin' easy it is to make money online, right? And the problem is a lot of you guys just aren't trying. So if you want to change your life and you're actually interested in this business model, because honestly, it's the best beginner-friendly business model out there, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you make money with this business model. And if you guys want a more in-depth analysis on this business model where I break it down fully, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.